Hello everyone, I welcome you all to ATM Creations. Here is a 12-inch MDF board in which we are going to create a dot mandala using Christmas based colors, that's white, red, green and gold. Let's get started now. I'll start with golden dot in the center. Now I'll keep green dots. Now I'll keep tiny dots in green. Now some white dots. Now I'll keep tiny white dots. Now I'll keep some red dots. Now I'll keep tiny dots in red. Now I'll keep some golden dots. Now I'll keep smaller green dots. Now I'll work the dots in green. I'll keep some red dots now. Now I'll keep some white dots. Now I'll work the dots in white. Now I'll work the dots in red. Now I'll keep straight swipes in gold. I'll keep a dot, then manually drag it to a swipe. Now I'll drag these dots into swipes. Now I'll keep some green dots. Now I'll keep some tiny dots in white. Now I'll keep some dots in red. Now I'll keep tiny white dots. I'm not keeping the second white dot here because it may interfere with the green dots. So I'm just stopping with one white dot here. I'll keep some golden dots now. Now I'll keep some green dots. Now I'll work the dots in green. Now I'll keep some white dots. Now I'll work the dots with white. I'll keep some red dots now. I'll work the dots in red now. Now I'll keep straight swipe in gold. I'll keep a dot and then drag it to a swipe. Now I'll drag these dots into swipes. Now I'll keep two side swipes in green and I'll keep a dot, then drag it to a swipe. Now I'll drag the dots into swipes. I'm sure all of you love this dot mandala made with Christmas colors. Happy Christmas and thank you for watching this video.